In this video, I will show you on how to buy MTN data for another MTN line. It can be friend, relative, wife, or girlfriend. Let me show you how to buy data for them on your MTN line. But before we start the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your dialer. So I'm going to click on here to open my dialer. The next thing you need to do is to dial *3128# and send. The next thing you need to do is to click on here and then make sure you type number 6, then hit on send. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on here again, type number 2 and hit on send. The next thing you need to do is to click on here again, type number 2, hit on send. The next thing you need to do is to click on here again, data plans, social bundles. So if you want to buy for social media, you can choose 2. If you are buying data plan, choose 1. So click on 1 and then hit on send. Then here, daily plans for number 1, weekly plans number 2, monthly plans number 3, 2-month plan number 4, 3 to 5 month plan number 5. So you have to choose the plan you want from these options right here. Let's, for instance, I want to buy daily plan for them. I will click on 1. I will hit on send, and it's going to take us to the various prices for daily plan. 75 naira for 75 MB, 100 naira for 110 MB, 200 naira for 230 MB, etc. So you have to click on here again and select the one you want. So let's say, for instance, I want to select 1, and I'll click on send. Then MTN is going to send you this message. You will be charged 75 naira for gifting of 75 megabyte daily data bundle. Click on here again and type 1 and click on proceed. Then you'll be asked to enter the recipient phone number. Make sure you enter correctly the phone number of the person you are sending the data to, so that your data will not be sent to a wrong MTN line. So once you enter the number, hit on send and make sure you have enough airtime that cover the amount you want to send on your MTN line. With that, your data is going to be successfully sent to the person you are buying the data for on MTN. It's that simple. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.